Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do the sunburst effect using Photoshop. If you are just come across my channel for the first time, you are welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another tutorial video. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. Yeah, so this is the sunburst effect. You'll be wondering what you have seen this effect somewhere that designers use in their design. So I'll be showing you guys how to go about doing this on Photoshop. So I'm going to create a new document entirely. I'm going to select on file, then new. So wait for so I'm going to use any size, but the size I'm going to be using is 1080 by 1350. So yeah, I'm going to fit it to screen, see what does to then we're going to select on our gradient tool. Make sure that it's in black and white. Then we're going to drag it up. The black side will be down and then the white side will be up. Then after, we're going to duplicate it, then go to filter, then distort, then click on wave. So we're going to set the number of generation to 1. The wavelength, the minimum wavelength, we're going to set to 1. The maximum wavelength, we're going to set to 7. Then the amplitude, the minimum 998, and then the maximum 999. Then seams is the type. I'm going to leave the tool that scale 100. The type, we're going to select square. Seems is a square shape we're doing, and then we click on repeat something, then we'll press OK. Then after doing that, we'll go back to filter again, distort, then polar coordinate. We're going to select on that polar coordinate. Then we're going to click on rectangular surface, then we'll click on OK. You can see it's already doing, it has done the sunburst effect already. So if you want to give it any color versus, we're going to click on hue and saturation. Then we're going to select we're going to select colorize. Then we're going to play along the saturation and hue and also the brightness. So you can see how it's changing color. So I'm going to you can see play along the hue. I'm going to convert this to smart objects. Let me go back. Then you can see how the color is changing. So I'm going to reduce the brightness so that the color will come out and the black will disappear. You can see so that's it on how to create a sunburst effect using Photoshop. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial like this. So till then, see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.